Hey lovelies. Hey lovelies. It has been 6 weeks that I've had these jasmine locks in, and I'm about to take them out. So I'm just gonna give you a quick video so I can show you how easy it is. First, let's see what they look like after 6 weeks. Just to let you know, these are medium-sized jasmine locks. They are 12 inches long. I have 35. I have 35 of them in my head right now. Bring them all to the front so you can see how full they can be. Only thing I've done during the 6 weeks that I've had these in is wash them every week, sometimes more often, and oil my scalp after I wash them. I also spray my scalp. I get in close with a mixture of oil, well, water. First of all, it's mostly water. Water brings the moisture, as well as oil, leave-in conditioner, and a drop of Jamaican black castor oil in there as well. Alright, so let's get into it. Taking them out is pretty easy. The first thing you want to do is find the wrapping hair. See that? I'm sliding the wrapping hair down so that I'm separating it from the lock itself. Remember that when you install them, you plait your hair and you crochet it through the inside of the lock. So nothing that I am dealing with right now is my natural hair. I could just pull the wrapping hair right away from the lock. Here's the lock. There's 12 inches of lock, and then about an inch and a half of my own hair. So I had a plait that was about an inch long. I've had these in for over a month, so I got about a half an inch of new growth. This is the wrapping hair that I pulled away, and then there you can see is my plait. So now that I found my plait, I'm going to pull it out of the lock. Sliding it right out of the lock. There's my hair. Here is the lock, and here's the wrapping hair. The next step is just to unravel my plait so that I can slide the lock off. I am then going to do the same thing again at the base of the plait in order to remove the wrapping hair. So let's just speed this right along. Alright, now that my plait is unraveled, I can take the lock and just slide it off. And there it is. Okay, so here's my hair. Here's the wrapping hair. Now I'm going to come to the base of the plait, find my hair. See? It's not hard to see it. There's my plait in there. Get a good look at my scalp. You can see not a whole lot of buildup. Don't mind those grays. That's just a little bit of living going on there. But you can see that there's not a lot of buildup. Keep your hair nice and washed and clean and fresh while wearing these jasmine locks. It does not affect the locks at all. They will not unravel. They will not untangle. It will not cause the locks to lock into your hair. It's perfectly safe. Keep your hair and your scalp clean while wearing these jasmine locks. So I am just unraveling. Here's the wrapping hair. Here's my plait that I pulled out. I did that kind of quickly, so I'm gonna have to do that again. But right now I'm just unplaiting my hair. so that I can slide the wrapping hair down just like I did the lock, and bing bang boom, I have removed this jasmine lock. There's the wrapping hair. And here's the section. Sound weird, you're being noisy while I'm trying to make a video. Here's the section where I removed the lock. Okay, I'm gonna do that one more time. Clip this out of the way and go to the other side here. Here's the lock. Here's the wrapping hair. Here's the base of my head. Step one, pull the wrapping hair down. Excuse me. Step one, pull the wrapping hair down. Find your plait, pull it out, and unravel the plait. Next step, find the start of the plait at the base of the hair. Pull it out, unravel the plait, pull the wrapping hair out. There's my plait. And I'm pulling it out. It's gonna untangle. Gonna untangle the plait. This part, actually unplaiting my own hair, is taking longer than it does to remove the actual jasmine lock. And I'm going to speed it along with the comb. Again, wrapping hair, plait, jasmine lock. Slide the jasmine lock right off. Bam. Do the same thing at the base in order to get my plait. There it is. Gonna pull my plait out of this wrapping hair. Okay, plait, wrapping hair, unravel it some more. Wiggling it around a little bit. Got a little bit more plait to go. And I slid the wrapping hair off. See, it's still wrapped. And here's the section where I removed the jasmine lock. Okay. 2 down, 33 more to go. But I just wanted to show you so you would know that it is that easy to take out jasmine locks. I've had them in for 6 weeks. I have washed them regularly. They gave me no guff when it came to taking them down. So that is what I love about these puppies. They're so great. They're so easy. Just easy to install, easy to take down. Anything else that I want to say about removing jasmine locks or just jasmine locks in general? I'm going to give you another look at the lock so you can see how it changes and becomes more compact over time. I'm going to go and grab a fresh one just to give you a comparison. All right, here we go. A fresh, never worn, medium-sized jasmine lock. And then here is the one that I just took out that I've had in for 6 weeks. So I've gotten questions, how do they look, how do they change over time? And now you have the answer. Okay, give you a good comparison. This one is the fresh new one that's never been worn. This one is the one that I just took out. All right, lovelies, bye.